What's going on, everybody? Ratchet is back for another video, and today we have some Miata content. If you saw in our previous video, I'll link it up above right now, but we took it on the roads, had some first impressions, and just got the first fill up. Everything's running good. The tune's still a little off. We haven't had the time yet. It's only been a couple days, but we are having a head gasket issue. We believe we're dumping a lot of white smoke. It could also be some seals and stuff like that, but we're going to do some further diagnosis into it. Maybe pull the plugs out, see if oil, coolant is mixing, because that's a telltale sign. But all signs were kind of pointing to the head gasket. So we put a bars leak in there. So we're going to drive around, let it settle, let it get into every nook and cranny, and hopefully fill up those voids if there is any. But we're going to do some Ratchet things. We're going to try and do some Burnout, some donuts, see what this thing could do. Maybe go to a drive-through, get some reactions, because it is very loud, so it should be entertaining. And this one's just going to be more of a comical entertainment style video rather than a tutorial or instructional purpose kind of video. So without further ado, Wes is going to follow me. We're going to drop off my car, and then we're going to start hooning it around. So we'll see you in a sec. A little slow on that cold start. Like I said, we have to figure out the tuning. We're going to take it to a dyno tuner just to get it perfected, and it will fix that little bit of a lag. But let's get into it.
All right, guys, here we go. Fix all this stuff here. We're taking back roads, so we should be all right. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, but we will see. Oh, that turbo whistle. Oh man, it is road ready. Oh my god, it's so obnoxious, I love it. Woo. Oh man, she sounds good. Alright guys, we made it to Austin's alive. No cops, so we are Gucci. Oh man, that was so fun. This car is a blast. Alright, we're gonna switch out here. Austin's gonna drive. We're gonna go into town and get some funny ass shots, so stay tuned. Oh, it's a beautiful day. We're ready for the Miata.
I love just letting off the acceleration. It sounds so good.
Yeah.
Do they look?
Nah.
They don't appreciate it.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to McDonald's. Here we go. That farmer was like, what the?
Yeah, some pop-ups.
Yeah.
Dude, I just stared at that guy as we went by.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Oh, it's obnoxious. I love it.
It's so fun. There is no cruising in this car, like no low RPM. It's all just spiked.
Well, it is lower.
Yeah, but
at a higher speed, but it's just loud because
I meant to say the sound. Yeah, the sound.
There's no low cruising sound.
That thing is just a monster. Oh man, what a day!
What a day! We needed to get a distinct pop, like sound. It has like a little bit of a gurgle, like that right there, which kind of sounds cool. Yeah, like right there. Straight pipe. It should just be dumping.
Yeah. She's dumping all right. There it is. Yes.
That's man right there.
It's in so low.
Can't go anywhere.
Oh my god. Pulling up to McDonald's and woo! In a jet.
Sounds so good.
We've been wanting to do this so long. This is great. Oh, what do we want got today? McFlurry?
So loud, dude.
McFlurry, some fries.
By the time we get the McFlurry, it's gonna melt.
Yeah,
but,
it's gonna be melted for sure. Hopefully they can hear us talk. I mean, you really gotta yell. Might have to turn the car off.
Look at that. You hear that? It's just like that unburned fuel.
Yeah, you can see the exhaust just
there's some unburned fuel that's just making a little bit of a
misfire.
Yeah. Plus, once again, the tune. We gotta get this thing tuned. Yeah, can I get 2 Oreo McFlurries? No, that's it. Alright, thank you.
That's a far reach, my guy.
Yeah.
Close the street scene here. What's up, dude? Are you in here? Yeah, so just wait, burnouts are coming. Burnouts are coming after the McFlurry.
So, as you can see, we never use a convertible top on. We have the hood off, so this is clearly a car that we're probably only going to take out when it's nice days, no raining, anything like that. Do you guys want us to delete this and put like those little little roll bars? They look like the Cobra Kit ones. If you guys want to see that, drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. We have a bunch of stuff in the works for this. Right now we're just kind of enjoying it because this was, what, 4 months in the making, so we finally got on the road, we're enjoying it. We're not trying to break it yet, but we are going to do some Ratchet shit at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned to that. And let's do that. Let's eat our McFlurries first.
We're at a highly undisclosed location. That is not from us, but we're going to try. This thing's looking mean, dude. There she is. That is so fun. I was a little nervous swinging it back there, but that was so fun. These mirrors.
I know, we're probably gonna lose it.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Made it. Made it. Crackles for days.
We need bucket seats.
Alright, so we just got to an undisclosed location number 2, and we got some gravel here. As you can see, it's going to slide and break traction very easily. Because I've never actually had a rear-wheel drive car in my life. I have the GTI, most of you guys know that, so he's going to teach me how to swing it with a manual as well, because mine's automatic. But don't hate. We're gonna try and roast these tires because we do plan on getting some tires and rims set up coming soon, but it's so tiny, like 14s. Am I like every manual driver now?
Yeah, shake it.
I'm trying to do what you do. Yeah. This is a tutorial for anyone that doesn't know how to do burnouts.
Tutorial.
I'm learning today. In my 25 years of living, I've never done a burnout.
Get that thing up to like 4,000 RPMs.
With the foot on the clutch in first gear, and then
once you're ready, just pop her.
Okay.
And then just start spinning. Then you got to control the steering wheel.
No shit.
Yes. Oh, I got to get back. go? Dude, you dug that so deep.
More fun than I expected. I definitely didn't give it the flutter. I just kept holding the gas, and it was quite nerve-wracking. But I'm gonna do it again one more time.
Still learning. That's how you do it, ladies and gents.
Ratchet wrenches away, baby.
Making it rain. There goes nothing. Wait, let me try and get the RPM up.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed. We wanted to bring you some more Ratchet content, more fun, and just enjoying the car to its full potential. Actually not full potential, it still needs to tune, but if you guys are new, please give us a thumbs up. If you're returning, please give us a thumbs up as well. It means the world to us, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.